Welcome, kids, for our GK class. Today we have to see the fourth chapter. The chapter name is Greenie and the Rose Plant. In this chapter, having a story, in this lesson, having a like a story. Read the story and fill in the blanks with the words from the help box. We have a help box. Using with that, we have to complete the story. In some place, they have a leave us some blank spaces and all. So we have to complete it. Okay. See, children, look at the help box. That is the flowers, petals, leaves, stems, roots, then leaves, flowers, waters, nutrients. This is only in the help box. See, using this words, we have to fill it in that story's blank space. First, I will read the story with the blank space. Afterwards, you have to complete that in the blank space. I also complete the story using with that help box. Okay, darling? Let's see. Now, start the story. Greenie, the tiny grasshopper, wanted to hop onto a tall plant. Greenie, the tiny grasshopper. Greenie is a tiny grasshopper, wanted to hop on a tall plant. On the way, she saw a few pods of plants before she climbed to the top. Greenie wanted to climb to the top. So on the way, she saw a few pods of a plant before she climbed to the top. Buried right under the soil were the dash. Buried right under the soil were the blank space. They have a blank space which look like a network of wires. We have to fill it in that blank space. It's look like a network of wires. That's the first point. Then second point. Greenie found a network busy supplying. Greenie found a network busy supplying. They having a blank space and again blank space to the plant. The next point, she hopped a little further and found the blank space of the plant. It was long and thin. It was above the ground. It was above the ground. It looked like a long and thin. Okay, next point. While she hopped further, she found the plant to be like a step of the ladder. It like the step of the ladder. The next point, there was many green blank space which helped her hop higher. Greenie was happy that they were as green as her. Greenie was happy were as green as her. Okay. The next point, she counted above 18 green blank space. 18 green blank space. Before she came to the top of the plant. Before she came to the top of the plant, they counted. That Greenie counted that blank space. Okay. She found a splash of color. She saw 4 red blank space waving in the wind. Waving in the wind means they're shaking in that. Okay. She hopped on all of them. Okay. Then Greenie found the red blank space also had many blank space. Okay, Greenie found the red color. What is that? We have to fill it off. Also had many blank space. Okay. Then next point. Greenie sat on the top of the plant and looked around the world. Finally, Greenie is sat on the top of the plant. That plant took a top. They sat on the top and looked around the world. They happy. I think Greenie is happy to saw the world. Finally, a little girl came to a garden and said, "Look, there is a tiny grasshopper on the rose plant." So top of that is a rose plant. A little girl came on the garden and said, "Look, there is a tiny grasshopper on the rose plant." So finally, Greenie is a grasshopper. You have it. Then Small little girl also saw this grasshopper on the rose plant. So next we have to see in the 11th page. That page also we have to complete. Look at that. I already said that no, so one exercise is there now. So it's same as like it. Top flower. Then next it's look like a rose plant, isn't it? No. So first one we have to complete. It's look like a red color. What is that? Colorful splash. What is that? Flowers. He saw a 4 red color flowers. Okay, found. See that the grasshopper saw the flash of colors. No, that is that flower. Okay. So you have to find it. She saw 4 red color flowers waving in the wind. She hopped on the in that place. You have to complete it. Okay. The next second one. See, look at that arrow mark. In the second one, it's like a flower petal. You don't write a petals. You just write a petal. They placed it in a only one petal, so that you have to write a petal. The next third one, they placed it in a bud. They placed it in a bud, so you have to write a bud. Then fourth one, see, she counted about 18 green leaves. Okay, so she counted above 18 green blank spaces there. No, 18 leaves. Before that, the point, there were many green leaves. There were many green leaves also is there. So he climbed up. No, it looked like a ladder. No, so that steps of a ladder. So that it is the leaves. Leaves look like a ladder. No, so that they said leaves. Okay, next, fifth one. She hopped a little further and found the blank space of the plant. So what is that? That is a stem of the plant. It was long and thin. It looked like a long and thin. It was above the ground. Above the ground. So then next one, sixth one. See, sixth one, what is that? Buried right under the soil were the roots. You have to write the roots, which look like a network of wires. See, darling, it's look like a network of wires, isn't it? No. So that they said a network of wires. Say that root only can help to supply the water and nutrition for the plant. Water and nutrition for the plant. It will help to supply that. So that we have to pour in the water on the soil only. No. So soil absorb it. The root only can supply, suck and supply to the plant. So that it will help a network of wire. So it is network busy supplying. It look like busy supplying. Okay, then next. See, finally we have to complete the story. Again, I'll tell you. Greenie, the tiny grasshopper, wanted to hop onto a tall plant. On the way, she saw a few parts of a plant before she climbed to the top. Next point, buried right under the soil were the roots. Roots which looked like a network of wires. Then Greenie found the network busy supplying water and nutrients to the plant. See, network busy supplying water and nutrition to the plant. Then she hopped a little further and found the stem of a plant. It was long and thin. It was above the ground. While she hopped further, she found the plant to be like the step of a ladder. It looked like step of a ladder. There were many green leaves which helped her hop higher. Greenie was happy that they were as green as her. Greenie was happy as green as her. She counted about 18 green leaves before she came to the top. She counted the leaves. How many leaves? 18 green leaves he counted in that rose plant. In that rose plant having 18 leaves, but in our book not having 18 green leaves. Okay, darling. Okay, you don't count it off. It is not having 18 green leaves. So Greenie counted in climbing up the tree plant. No, that the plant having 18 green leaves. Okay, then she came to the top of the plant. Here she found a splash of colors. He found a splash of colors. He climbed up means in the plants, top of the plants only having flowers, buds and all is there. So her she found a splash of colors. She saw four red flowers. Four red flowers waving in the wind. Flowers are not staying in a one place. It's shaking in a one place to one place. No, so in that around that place. So waving in the wind. So she hopped on all of them. Greenie found that the red flowers also had many petals. In that red flowers also having a many petals. I already told you, no, flowers having a lot of petals. So, in that red flowers also having a petals. Greenie sat on the top of the plant and looked around the world. Finally, he sat on the top of the flower. So, look around the world. A little girl came to the garden and said, "Look, there is a tiny grasshopper on the rose plant." So, finally, we finished the story. You are also having to complete the page number 10 and 11. Okay, darling? So, you have to complete with the answer using with a pencil. Let's see you on next chapter. Bye-bye.